Welcome everyone, this is Raj and today we'll be talking about Java installations and we will also see what are the required applications to create a Java program. So let's go ahead and first install Java on your machine. So what you're gonna need to do is to download JDK from Oracle website, that is Java Development Kit. So let us see how it can be done. Now all you need to do is to go to Google and type Java JDK. So here you can go the first link and this link will redirect you to Oracle Java Development Kit according to system configuration. So this is my Oracle website. As you can see, from here you can download as per required version. So let me show you what are the versions are there, means which operating system you have. Suppose if you have Mac or Linux in the operating system, then you can go for that according to system configuration. And if you are using Windows operating system, so there are two kinds of bits. So see, since I am using Windows 64-bit version, but suppose you have Windows 32-bit version, the first thing that you need to do is to right click on start button if you're using Windows 8 or later version and click on system, and here you can see system properties, and here let me show you my system. So my system configured as 64-bit version. So if you are using Windows 32-bit version, so you can check out from here. Okay, let me show you. This is my 64-bit version. Okay, but if you are using Windows 32-bit operating system, then you can go ahead and install according to your system configuration. Okay, alright, so now that you all have successfully installed Java and configured your path as well, so let us see our first Java program. Now to write your Java program, you can use any editor. So let us see the first editor. Go for color coding. So I would recommend you to download notepad++. So here the notepad++ website, you can download it from here. Now if you are a student, as I have seen many school students are doing their coding on BlueJ, you have to give the class, then class name, and so this time I'm giving class name hello, then open curly brace, then you have to write the something here like public static void main. So let me type it, public static void main string args, and open curly brace again. Then remember system as captor.out.println, and I'm writing here hello world bracket close inside double quotes, and semicolon means closing the statement. This is your first program, and basically coding means there are some instructions that I'm giving to my computer to print hello world on screen, and don't need to worry about the structure we will be talking about as well. But here what you need to understand is that every code that you're gonna to be writing must be written inside a class. So here you can see inside my class I have written a function that is public static void main. Now again, don't worry about modifier. Void main is the first function that is always going to be executed. Print any text or any data on the screen, you're gonna be using syntax system.out.println. Okay, so this is the standard format that you are gonna to be following to print anything on the screen. Now it's time to save the file, and one thing should always keep in mind that whenever you are saving your file or Java program, you need to give the file name same as class name which you have given in your program, followed by .java extension. Let me do this thing, and because there are the standard procedure and you need to follow it, you do not have any other option. You need to save the file with .java extension. Okay, so as you can see, my class name is hello, so I'm gonna to make it hello, and then I'm gonna make sure that it is a Java file. Now click on save. So after that we need to execute our program. So before you need to execute it, launch your command prompt, go the directory where you have Java file is present first. Now here you cannot directly execute your file, so what you need to do is to create a .class file which contains your Java bytecode, as this thing we have already covered in my previous video. To do use the following syntax. Let me type it, javac, and my file name is hello, and with extension .java. So javac space hello.java should be called once you compile your program. Okay, javac means I'm just calling my Java compiler to compiler and execute my Java file which is hello. So here as you can see, I have provided my Java file to javac compiler. Now if you go back to the location, so let me show you, and which had the Java file, you can see the new file is created with the .class extension. So basically my originally source code is now converted, and let me show you how the bytecode looks like. Okay, so let me open this file. Now here you can see this file contains various symbols and it has specific characters as well, but to a user it is not something or he or she cannot identify what my code does or what my code looks like. So here your code becomes highly secure, as well as your portability feature is also achieved here. Now finally, to run this code, what you need to do is to specify Java and the .class file name and press enter button. Now you can see we have got the output here, hello world is printed. So please go ahead and try this code. Okay, so now this is the basic way to create your Java program. But what if you have to deal with different files? It becomes a huge problem to maintain these files as well as organize them. Therefore, what you're gonna need to do is to use a different IDE, that is Integrated Development Environment. Now the most popular IDE for Java developer is Eclipse IDE, and I would recommend you to everyone to do your coding on Eclipse only. So just go to eclipse.org, and here itself on the home screen you have download option. Now the most updated version of Eclipse is present here. So all you need to do is to specify the version of your various Windows based operating systems that you are using, and it will automatically download. All you need to click on this link, and here various options are. So go ahead and download as per your system requirement. Now installation process is very simple. Just extract the zip file, and after that you can directly launch your Eclipse IDE. Okay, so I hope you have installed Eclipse in your computer system. Just go ahead and launch your Eclipse IDE. So this is basically your welcome page. So what we're gonna need to do is to create a new project. So project basically is a collection of all the codes that you're going to be writing. So let us say you are working on first module, and then I recommend you to create a new module for the first project. Now to create a new project, what you're gonna need to do is to just click on this new option here, and then you have option of Java project. Click on it and choose next option. So you need to specify the name of your Java project. Do is to give name code by Raj, and now I'm clicking on finish. So now I have created a Java project. So when you open this, you have two elements present here, src and Java runtime environment. Now just right click on your source file, remember right click, then gonna go to new option here. Now click on class, as I already told you everything on Java is inside a class. So what I wanna do is to show you the same hello world program in Eclipse. It's very easy compared to notepad++. So give class name here and finish it. Now I'm copying my code that we already done in notepad++ and just gonna paste it here. Now this is my code. Now save it from here by pressing Ctrl+S from keyboard. Then click on this run button and execute your code. So as you can see how it's easy compared to notepad++ to run your Java program. So now it's my output, hello world. So go ahead and try the same program that I have done it. So thanks guys, that is for today's lesson, and please subscribe my channel and press the bell icons to get the latest video updates. Thank you so much.